Hi, I'm Matthew McGrattan from Digirati, and I'm going to talk very quickly today about how you could build a generic IIIF based search and discovery environment using IIIF change discovery and IIIF content state. So we're currently working on a platform for a client who are working with Middle Eastern and Indian manuscripts. And we decided to approach this by building a generic search and discovery platform first, using standard APIs for getting content in and out, and then to layer on top for them any bespoke features that they would need for their content. So what I'm showing you today is a generic search and discovery environment that uses IIIF for everything throughout. So you can see here we've got various objects that have been ingested in here. I can filter these in the usual way, so maybe I want to just see things that are Arabic or Persian, and I'm going to refine the search here. I can see a list of things. I can click through and view one of these items on its own, and hopefully you can see here that in the URL we have some base64 encoded data, which hopefully you will have seen already as part of Tom Crane's introduction earlier. If I click this into a base64 decoder, you can see that this is an entirely standard content state representation of this manifest. So we're calling Mirador using content state to get to this viewing experience. But we can also do the same thing for multiple objects. So maybe I want to pin 2 or 3 items in a kind of comparison basket that I can see here. I can view these, maybe I'll view them as thumbnails. So I can see the 3 things that I might want to view in my comparison. If I click compare, what will happen now is it will load all 3 up in an instance of Mirador. And again, in the URL here, we have a nice long base64 encoded content state which I can decode, and hopefully you can see here that we've just got 3 manifests being loaded into the viewer. So everything about this is entirely standards driven. If you copy this link using the button here, paste it into a new tab, you will load up the same discovery environment with the same 3 objects open in exactly the same way, and you could share this with someone else via social media, email, bookmark it, anything you might want to do. We're also using standards entirely for the process of getting data in. So if I go here and look at my list of scheduled tasks on the back end, there are 2 sync change discovery stream processes working, and these are registered change discovery streams. We have one here for the Bodleian that's been taken from the IIIF registry, and it's being synced every 60 minutes, and any content that comes in from the Bodleian will be automatically added to this discovery environment, and we could index as many of these streams as we would like. But not only is it using change discovery to get data in, it also exposes a change discovery endpoint on the way out. So I have streams here for all activity, for any storage of IIIF, and for any indexing by search. So I can click through to one of these pages and see all of the events here when objects were created, updated, deleted, and so on. So this stuff can be used to bring content in from other institutions, but then when it's been enriched with new data as part of this portal, it can be exposed again for further indexing and aggregation through change discovery. Thank you very much.